In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps for multiple stops. Open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that location services are on so the app can find your current position and give accurate directions. If you're planning a longer trip, it's a good idea to check your signal or download offline maps ahead of time. But for now, we'll focus on setting up your route. Start by searching for your first destination. This will be the place you want to go to first after leaving your starting point, which can be your current location or any saved place. As you type, Google Maps will suggest matches. Pick the correct one to drop a pin and preview the location details. Next, tap Directions. Here you'll see route options, an estimated arrival time, and choices for driving, walking, public transit, or cycling. Choose the mode that fits your trip and confirm the starting point if needed. To add more stops, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots labeled More on some devices. This opens a small menu with additional options that aren't on the main screen. Tap Add or Edit Stop. You'll see your current route laid out in a list. This screen is where you build your entire itinerary. Tap the next empty field and search for your next location, just like you did for the first one. You can keep adding stops this way, up to 9 stops total. If you have places saved as favorites or labeled, those will appear as quick choices and can speed things up. If the order of your stops changes, you don't need to start over. Press and hold the 3 horizontal lines next to any stop, sometimes called the hamburger icon, and drag it up or down to rearrange the sequence. Google Maps will automatically recalculate the best route between the new order of points. Take a moment to check the timing and make sure the sequence matches your plans, especially if some places have specific opening hours. When everything looks right, tap Done. This saves your multi-stop route and takes you back to the main directions view. Finally, tap Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation. You'll get voice guidance to each stop, and after you arrive at one, Maps will automatically guide you to the next. If you need to make quick changes on the road, you can pause, add another stop from the same menu, or drag to reorder again. That's it. Your multi-stop trip is ready to go. Safe travels and enjoy the smooth, organized route with Google Maps.